picked up Lil Man. Say what's up, Lil Man. What's up? You gotta see songs. Pulling Little Gray today. Alrighty, pulling up to our Sebastian pool job. Gotta pick up their little trailer, take it to the dump. Is that right, Little Man?
Yep, and drop this one off. Come back and load it back up and go drop it off. Get more garbage.
Yes, sir. Some dump runs today.
My dad ever tell you what happened with that trailer?
What?
How it snapped?
Oh, yeah.
Right behind the fender.
The guest house. Work in progress.
Start the wheels already?
Yeah. Yeah. Buenos días. No, ese compa aquí que compa Máximo. Buenas noches.
Bien.
Buenos días, Cristian.
¿Qué muchacho? ¿Cómo andas?
¿De qué la? Para YouTube, güey.
¿Oh, sí?
Hey. Alright, guys. About to connect the owner's trailer. Today's load. These are empty. Yeah.
Let me put that one. I need to back up. Okay, it needs to be locked in the bottom. Okay.
On the way to the dump, I take our first dump run.
Demonize carbon in general, and our young people are frightened. Carbon is bad, carbon is evil, carbon is what we're made out of, and so frail, fragile, flawed bodies for the tech. Rise first, temperature. That's not what the ice is. I do have if on the lower left, the second yeah,
Focus the scale.
you see that the red.
Alright, y'all, I just finished that dump run. On the way back to the job. Ain't that right, little man?
Yeah.
Show me your suspenders.
What the?
Show me your suspenders.
Suspenders?
This guy's old school. Just pulling up to the job. Gotta get some work done. Pretty funny. Say hi to the camera. Just empty the first bag. Laying it all out for these guys. Little man's on his way. There it is, guys. Alright, ahí quedó. Say what's up to the camera donkeys. Doing the manure process. Oh, explain to him, Sebastian. Explain to him what you just told me.
What? How it heats up
Yeah.
and its own bacteria eats it up and it turns it into dirt.
Yes, sir. What's up, guys? We just finished doing most of the nasty stuff. Let's go see what little man's up to. Huh? Yes, sir. Better go do our second dump run. What's going on over here?
Not much. It's cleared out everything.
Yes, sir.
Now all this just needs to be composed for the branches. Ya está todo limpiado. Raised it up to their height. To their height is more than perfect enough. It's todo para a su tamaño. And right there, that you have to do no more safety, no more fire safety cleaning. None of that. They did it for you. Now it can just decompose it and turn it into freaking dirt. And it won't burn the dirt. Damn, what's that barrel?
All the turds are all cleaned up. Nice.
They've been there for years. You get them back established how they were.
About to hook up little Gray. Take all these garbage to the dump. And see what the boss man has for us today. Been loading up the trailer. All this wood, all the garbage. Just a little bit more. Alright, the trailer's all ready. Locked and loaded. Not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. Alright, y'all. We made it to the dump, but there's a lot of freaking people here. Almost there, guys.
Hey guys, so we're just right here making it to the dump. People are taking forever. Daniel's right over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Ski pain or doing whatever he needs to do over there. But yeah, these guys are taking forever. I don't know if it's the office or the people that come here, but man, we've been here almost for like 20-25 minutes. Half the job is waiting, to be honest. Cause the easy part is like loading it. That's the easiest part. But yeah.
Move forward. Good. Just like that, we are ready to go, guys.
It's the office, huh?
Yeah.
You only have one guy in there or what?
It's two. All right, family. Got the receipt. Now off to dry skate.
You already know here, Lil Man?
Huh?
You already know the truth here?
Yeah.
You already know what we need and food, right?
2 yards.
Alright, there's the bush food.
What's good, bro?
How much are you, bro?
Not much. Just getting to get 2 yards of recycled base, bro. Hey.
Alright.
Hey, how's the day going, dude?
It's good, bro. Good. It's going by fast, bro. It was hella busy.
Oh yeah, it's hella busy. Yeah, a little bit, bro. So it's always mostly doing dump runs.
Yeah?
Yeah. All right, let's go talk to Luis. Get our receipt. Head on over to Windsor. Damn, did you see that los dos de Tamaulipas were here, dude?
Huh?
Los dos de Tamaulipas were here in Legado 7.
Yeah, bro.
Damn. I just saw that until I passed the sign, dude. I'm like, dang.
Honestly, like a couple of days ago when I was doing a delivery, I saw that and I was like, fuck, that's crazy. I wonder how much they get paid to fucking play there, bro.
I don't know.
Because a lot of artists have been there.
Same time I heard that, it's pretty sketchy there, you know?
Yeah,
like hella fights, you know?
It is kind of sketchy, bro, because it's hella small, you know?
Okay.
Los farmers went there too.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy, bro.
Alright, bro, I'll let you get to it, bro.
Alright, bro.
I'll see you next time, dude.
Later, bro.
Hey, bro.
Compa Chuy. Just got here, guys. Waiting for Little Man to lock the hubs.
Red on red line club, that means it's locked.
Yeah.
Right there, right? Drop this.
Yeah.
Dale.
Alright, 10-4 low. See how she does up this hill. Oh, yeah. There she goes. There she goes. it's gonna go, it's gonna go.
Yeah.
There you go. This one's a little easier. There you go. I don't have my dang broom.
No está muito bagaço. Espera dessa. Back to the road.
Alright, we're all good? Nice and strawberries. Something.